everybody. Thanks for joining us today. My name is Stephanie Stawski. I am one of the certified sommeliers with Rollers Wine and Spirits. I have been in the industry for about 10 years now, so I've met quite a few people that do quite a variety of different things in the business. But I recently met someone, his name is Robert Sinskey, and we shared so many values about wine and winemaking. It really just inspired me and motivated me and made me excited about doing what I do every day. So I just wanted to share some things about Robert Sinskey with you and some of his wines. Robert Sinskey is the farmer of Sinskey Winery. He, to some people, is known as the godfather of biodynamics in California winemaking. However, he doesn't choose to use that word for reasons that he explained, and I don't have enough time to get into that, so you'll have to come in and we'll talk about that later. But all of his wineries or all of his vineyards are certified organic. He believes in the whole farm philosophy of farming. He thinks that nature hates monoculture, so he plants flowers and trees and fruit orchards and vegetables all in the same next to his vineyards and his grapevines. He also owns sheep that control his cover crop and in turn provide natural fertilizer, wool, and the occasional holiday meal for his family. He creates a habitat for bees and other insects and predatory birds that all naturally keep his farm healthy. He simply believes that wine is a luxury item, and if we're paying for something that we don't need, why not make it the best possible product in that bottle? Which I absolutely love. I think that's amazing. He also believes in wine uniting us. One of my favorite quotes that he said was, food and wine is better than therapy. It slows us down, gives us pleasure, sustains and relaxes us, but most importantly, it brings us together so we can solve our problems and achieve our goals together. With the holidays approaching and us growing and gathering as family and friends, and that being more important, it seems like, than ever, I just think that's a really awesome quote and a great reason to have these wines on the table for your holiday meals. The first wine I'm going to show you is the Abaraxis. This is his white blend. It is done in an Alsatian style and would be great as an aperitif wine or with seafood or turkey. Just a really, really lovely balanced wine. Then we'll go into his Pinot Noir. And again, you could kind of crossover with some of the pairings here. Again, great with turkey. It has this awesome fruit forward character. He also ages his wine, so you're gonna get a very balanced wine. His wife is a chef, so they work very, very closely making sure their wines pair with food. Moving into the Cabernet Franc, this is gonna be, I know there is some some hunting in Hilton Head and Bluffton. This is gonna be the wine that goes with your wild game. Wild Cornish hen, dove, wild boar, venison, beautiful wine for those items. It just has this awesome aromatics that's really gonna complement those foods. And then we're moving into the POV. This is his Bordeaux style blend and the big boy. This is gonna go with your beef, your steaks, honestly, even with a burger though. And in these really trying times, I think there's a lot of amazing juice, a lot of good tasting wine out there, and it's really important to support those businesses with values like Robert Sinskey. I just absolutely love what he preaches. And if you're interested in talking more about organics or his values or trying his wines or buying his wines, please come in and see me. I would absolutely love to do that. Thanks so much for joining us.